The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a flagship device that brings together cutting-edge performance, design, and features, making it an ideal choice for users who want the best of the best in a smartphone. One of the standout reasons to buy the S25 Ultra is its next-generation Snapdragon or Exynos chipset, depending on region, which promises lightning-fast performance and impressive power efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using resource-intensive applications, this chipset ensures smooth, lag-free operation. The phone also boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, providing vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a high 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and animations, making it perfect for everything from media consumption to gaming. For photography enthusiasts, the S25 Ultra is likely to feature a high-resolution primary camera, potentially in the range of 108MP or higher, depending on the year, capturing incredible detail and sharpness in both bright and low-light conditions. While Samsung's Ultra models have consistently had top-tier camera systems, it is expected that the S25 Ultra will offer enhanced AI-driven features, a versatile multi-lens setup, and improved night photography capabilities. The camera system will likely support 8K video recording, allowing for incredibly detailed and professional-grade video captures. This makes the S25 Ultra an excellent choice for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to record high-quality video on the go. In terms of connectivity, the 5G support ensures that the S25 Ultra is future-proof, delivering lightning-fast download and upload speeds for streaming, gaming, and browsing. The device is also expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery, which provides long-lasting power throughout the day, even with heavy usage. With fast charging capabilities, the phone can quickly recharge, ensuring you're never left waiting long for a full battery. The in-display fingerprint scanner offers a secure and convenient way to unlock the phone, while IP68 water and dust resistance ensures that the device can withstand spills, splashes, and dust. For users who appreciate extra productivity, the S Pen support is expected to remain a major selling point of the Ultra series. With the ability to take notes, draw, and edit documents with precision, the S Pen makes the S25 Ultra a great choice for professionals, students, and creatives alike. On the software side, One UI, based on Android, will provide a user-friendly interface, packed with customization options, multitasking features, and regular updates. Samsung is known for its commitment to providing long-term software support, including security patches and new features over the device's life. This makes the S25 Ultra not just a phone, but a long-term investment. It will also likely integrate seamlessly with Samsung's broader ecosystem of devices and services, including Samsung DeX for desktop-like experiences, Samsung Health, and SmartThings for home automation. The S25 Ultra is also expected to feature a premium design, with a sleek glass back and metal frame that not only looks stunning but feels luxurious in the hand. The device's large screen-to-body ratio and minimal bezels contribute to a truly immersive display experience, making it a fantastic choice for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. With all these features combined, top-tier performance, advanced camera capabilities, 5G connectivity, long-lasting battery life, and innovative design, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be one of the most powerful and versatile smartphones on the market. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, a content creator, or simply someone who demands the best in mobile technology, the S25 Ultra is likely to exceed your expectations, offering an all-in-one solution that excels in nearly every category.